In 1854, the Kansas-Nebraska Act, signed by Democratic Senator Stephen Douglas of Illinois, overturned the Missouri Compromise's use of the latitude line as the boundary for slave and free states, and the decision was to be decided by popular sovereignty. Pro-slavery and anti-slavery settlers swarmed into Kansas to influence the decision. Violence soon broke out as the two sides fought for control. This was known as Bleeding Kansas. On November 21st, 1855, the Wakarusa War began when a free stater named Charles Dow was shot by a pro-slavery settler. The Battle of Blackjack took place on June 2nd, 1856, when anti-slavery forces, led by the noted abolitionist John Brown, attacked a Confederate encampment near Baldwin City, Kansas. Some historians consider the Battle of Blackjack to be the first true battle of the American Civil War. The sacking of Lawrence occurred on May 21st, 1856, when pro-slavery activists attacked and ransacked the town of Lawrence, Kansas, which had been founded by anti-slavery settlers. In reaction to the sacking of Lawrence, Kansas by pro-slavery forces, John Brown and a band of abolitionists killed 5 settlers north of the Pottawatomie Creek. There were approximately 56 fatalities by the time the violence ended in 1859. The commander of the abolitionist or anti-slavery group was John Brown. The commander of the Confederate or pro-slavery group was William Quantrill. John Brown was born in Connecticut and moved around a lot as a child. William Quantrill was born and raised in Ohio. Bleeding Kansas was one of the main events that led up to the Civil War. It showed Americans that they had a say in slavery and opened their eyes to the fact that it was something they could change.